Question number 10, capitalization of super profit method. So first find out what is super profit. What is super profit? The difference between average profit and normal profit. So your normal rate of return is given and profit, 4 years profits are given. 30,000, 40,000, 50,000, 45,000. Then non-recurring income is given, that is included in the profit 30,000. In this 30,000, non-recurring income is added, that should be subtracted from this profit before finding average profit. Then average capital employed is given. From capital employed we can find what is normal profit. So first find out what is average profit. So average profit. What is average profit? Average profit is total profit. Total profit divided by number of years. Number of years. Total profit. So how much is profit? First year profit is 30,000. இங்க நீங்க கவனிக்கணும், you should note that here this 30,000, in this 30,000 a non-recurring income is added. Non-recurring means it does not happen again and again. That is not considered income. That is not considered income of the firm. So that should be subtracted. Only the firm direct income is taken for goodwill calculation. So 30,000 minus 3,000. Then next year profit is 40,000. Then 50,000 plus 45,000. Whole divided by number of years. 1, 2, 3, 4 years. That is equal to, here 30,000 minus 3,000, 27,000 plus 40,000 plus 50,000 plus 45,000. Whole divided by 4. Now add all the profit. So here 27 plus 40,000, that is 67,000. 60,000 plus 50,000, 1,17,000. 1,17,000, 1,57,000, 1,62,000. 1,62,000 whole divided by 4. That is the total profit. So that is equal to, now find out what is average profit. So 4 4s are 16. Then in these two it's not, so put 0. Now take 20. In 25 times 5 4s are 20. Then these two zeros. So 40500. So 40,500 is average profit. Average profit. இங்கே divide பண்ணும்போது இந்த 16ல 4 times 4 4s are 16. Then 2ல இந்த 4 போகாது, அதனால 20 எடுக்கணும். ஸோ அப்படி எடுக்கும்போது first put 0. டைரெக்டாக 20க்கு 5 times போடக்கூடாது. 4 4s are 16. Then 2ல 4 போகாதனால 20 எடுக்கணும். அப்போ 20 எடுக்கணும்னா we should put first 0. Then 20ல 5 times. Then these two zeros. So 40,500. This is the average profit. Then find out what is normal profit. Normal profit. Normal profit is equal to capital employed. Capital employed into normal rate of return. Normal rate of return. That is the formula for finding normal profit. So that is equal to capital employed is given in the question. So average capital employed is 3 lakhs. So 3 lakhs into rate of return is also given. Normal rate of return is 10%. So 10 by 100. 10 cancel. This 0 and this 0 cancel. So normal profit is rupees 30,000. So now we found normal profit and also average profit. Then find out what is super profit. So therefore super profit. Super profit. Super profit is equal to average profit. Average profit minus normal profit. Normal profit. That is the formula for finding super profit. So what is average profit? Already we found average profit is 40,500. 40,500 minus normal profit is 30,000. So when you subtract these two, you'll get 10,500 rupees is super profit. So we got super profit. Now you can find out goodwill. So therefore goodwill is equal to it is a capitalization of super profit method. So formula is super profit divided by your normal rate of return into 100. That is equal to super profit is 10,500 we found, divided by normal rate of return. It is given normal rate of return is 10%. So that is here 10 into 100. So here 1010 get cancelled. That is equal to rupees. So here 10,500 into 10. 10 means just take 10. So 1,05,000 is the value of goodwill of the firm.